Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can attach files to your conversations and chats you have had with the artificial intelligence in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive right into it. All right, guys, so launch the Comet AI browser. You may log into your Perplexity account if you like. However, doing that is optional for this method. So let's start a completely new thread. You may do that by clicking into this button here in the top left corner when you're in your Perplexity account, or alternatively, guys, simply click into that new tab button at the top here in the Comet AI web browser and start your new prompt here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply before you send your prompt is simply clicking to that paperclip icon here, attach files, select the source, like for example Dropbox or Google Drive or from your local device, and after that let me navigate to an example PDF, which is basically a thread of a past conversation I have had here with Perplexity AI. And yeah, you may simply attach it, and after that, for instance, enter your prompt, like for example, please analyze the content of the attached PDF document, or summarize it, or I don't know, simply give it your command and press enter, and after that the artificial intelligence will execute the given command here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.